Yeah, grew up alone on the coast, yeah. Had a few friends that were close, yeah. We would cruise to Newport for the show, yeah. Long tan legs, oh you know it. Growing up in Cali really ain't a bad deal. The girls look fine and about half a real. I got my mindset on mine, she a bad chick. I wanna see if I could get her on a mattress. She said she's almost done taking all her classes, but she really doesn't care if she passes, cause she wants to go to LA, be an actress. I said that sounds about right, she needs practice. Hey, I'm just here for a good time. Have me a margarita with a little lime, and the sun's out feeling like it's summertime. Keep sipping while I listen to some Sublime.
She's looking so fine, I think she's got what I need. I'm wasting no time, want her to come into me. Should be a damn crime, most guys would need to retreat. And in the night time, I wanna feel that body.
Let's go, the West Coast is the place to be. With a little bit of honey you attract the bees. It's the best damn thing that you've ever seen. Just trust me, take a ride down to Huntington Beach. Yeah, I'm feeling good with the drink in my hand. I lay out, man, working on a nice tan. Gotta compete with these ladies, damn. A quick scan of the sand and you'll understand. If you like it during the day, just wait till night. You hit the bars and the ladies looking out of sight. Bright lights, jeans so tight, it feels so right. Cost $20 just for a goose and Sprite, but that's alright, cause now we out living the life. Out in Cali there's a couple thousand Mrs. Rights. Another day in the life of the sleepless nights. If you ain't never been, you gotta book a flight.
She's looking so